Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll all the way down and click on About Phone. Following that, you need to choose Edit under Current Device Name and type in wherever you wish to, like Moon. Now you need to tap on Done to save your new name. And as you can see, after that, my Samsung was successfully renamed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!